was 30 years old today. They took away all of his toys. His mother sent newspaper clippings to him about his old friends who'd stopped being boys. There was Howard C. Green, just turned 33. His leather chair waits at the bank. And Sergeant Dow Jones, 27 years old, commanding his very own tank. But Lather still finds it a nice thing to do, to lie about nude in the sand, drawing pictures of mountains that look like bumps, and thrashing the air with his hands. But wait, whole Lather's productive, you know. He produces the finest of sound, putting drumsticks on either side of his nose, snorting the best licks in town. But that's all over. Lather was 30 years old today, and lather came foam from his tongue. He looked at me, eyes wide, and plainly say, "Is it true that I'm no longer young?" Mommy? And the children call him famous, what the old men call insane. And sometimes he's so nameless that he hardly knows what game to play, which words to say. And I should have told him, no, you're not old, and I should have let him go on smiling, baby wide.
Since I climbed down this mountain before, things I've seen here make me want to go running home. Lean close, put your lips next to my face. Look further, all past the surface. Orange, blue, red and green, all the colors of what I feel. And my mind, know it starts to laying by my skin, and I wonder whenever I'm in. Warm, soft, nice and now, all the word things are what I know, and my body know it's all so. the same place that I play. Oh, darling, tell me what can I say? Dance, sing, sleep and dream. Is the music what I hear among the many things whenever you're come with me, my friend. Come on now and take my hand. You can be my friend. Soon be in another country. You want to know how it will be, me and him, or you and me. You both stand there, your long hair flowing, eyes alive, your mind still growing, saying to me, what can we do now that we both love you? I love you too. I don't really see, why can't we go on as three? You are afraid, embarrassed too. No one has ever said such a thing to you. Your mother's ghost stands at your shoulder, face like ice, a little bit colder, saying to you, you cannot do that, it breaks all the rules you learned in school. I don't really see, why can't we go on as three? We love each other,
it's plain to see there's just one answer that comes to me. Sister lovers, water brothers, and in time maybe others. So you see, what we can do is to try something new. If you're crazy too, I don't really see why can't we go on as three.